Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to enable floating notifications on Google Chrome, allowing you to stay updated without interrupting your workflow. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you haven't already, make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once you have Chrome open, look to the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on the three dots. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. It will open a drop-down menu with various options. From there, click on Settings. This action will take you to a new page where you can customize numerous aspects of your browsing experience. Now, in the Settings menu, look for Notifications. Depending on your version of Chrome, this might be located under Privacy and Security or directly accessible from the left sidebar. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the notification settings, you'll see various options related to how notifications are handled in Chrome. To enable floating notifications, simply toggle on the option for floating notifications. This setting allows notifications to appear as unobtrusive pop-ups rather than traditional alerts that take over your screen. After enabling floating notifications, you can customize how they appear and behave. You might want to adjust settings for specific sites, or choose whether to allow quieter notifications that won't disrupt your activities. And that's it. You've successfully enabled floating notifications on Google Chrome. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined browsing experience while staying informed about important updates and messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Chrome experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.